Hi, I'm Mike here for Expert Trades and I'm an electrical engineer, and following safe working conditions I do always safe isolate, and this is one of the things I just want to go over here, because when I come to safe isolate, depending on the circuit breaker you're going to, MCB or RCB or whatever you're working with, you can have a varied range of little options to use all these different tags in different sizes and different versions and whatnot, depending on what brand you're going with and who you're using. You can even get these meant to be one in all ones, which are ridiculously overcomplicated, come with all these elastic bands to fit over the MCB, and before you know it you've got 30 different pieces of kit in your bag just for the sake of locking something off. These are really good, and I do like these. Just push the button and then you just fit it in the slot, but again, depending on the manufacturer you're using, depends on the one you have to carry, so you end up carrying a full set of them. And then I did buy this trying to save that, but it's stupid and overcomplicated and I don't like it. What I tend to find I like most, believe it or not, are these little cheap ones. Now I am a bugger for buying the most expensive thing, thinking it's brilliant, hence I bought all the other stuff, but you can get these from as little as £1 for one, or if you're buying bulk they're a bit cheaper. They're nice and simple, they just fit over and you just screw it down with a little flathead screw. And once it's locked in place, just put your padlock through it. Now, one thing I found with these, which is brilliant as well, is most circuit boards you can still close with these on, which with these big ones and that you can't, which means you got a door line open which somebody can walk into or break off, and then if you know what you're getting billed. And then as well as that, I've got big lock-off locks, again all various ones and that, but I tend to find the little ones you can still fit in the cabinet when you close the door, so no one's going to mess with it anyway most of the time. Pop it on, lock it off. Don't forget, always put the key in your pocket, by the way, do not leave this lying round. But nice and simple, does the job, and it's a lot cheaper than all these other kits, and to be honest, you're carrying a lot less with you, and I tend to find that will do anything for me, and I haven't got to carry all the other junk around with me anyway. Thanks guys.